Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to apply for a tourist visa to Ghana. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply for a tourist visa to Ghana, you need to look at your local or I would say the consulate mission that is covering your area. For example, if you're from India, you need to open this Ghana Embassy website, as you can see, and they have a link apply visa, because it can vary as per like your location. So make sure that you select the correct embassy consulate that covers your area. So this is like for visa. Okay, like you want to travel to Ghana, so you can click here apply visa. So you can apply visa here. If you have filled partially application, you can do, and for payment you can go here. Okay, you can check the status here, schedule interview here. Okay, and all such options are there. So when you are applying for visa, click on apply visa. Now categories: transit, business, tourist, student, diplomatic, employee. So I would go for tourist. So here on this site, some fields are already pre-filled, and now these are the application locations in India, which one you want to apply. Let's say you want to apply New Delhi, so you select New Delhi. Mode of submission, you want to go to the counter or you want to send by postal. I would select counter. So they have given the time also. Submission time 9 to 11, collection Monday to Friday, 1 to 3. Okay, next. So original and printed application and the following supporting documents. Okay, today along with your passport for your visa processing. What are the documents you need? COVID-19 double vaccine certificate, one passport size photograph, passport, ID proof of two references in Ghana, hotel reservation, most recent bank statement, air ticket reservation. Visa will only be issued when all required documents are fully satisfied. Minimum 2 working days. Time they have given, and type of fee. I mean type of visa along with fee they have given. Single entry, multiple entry. Okay, and if you go down, 1800 service fee is charged. Okay, mode of payment method will be online by Razorpay. Okay, they are accepting UPI also. Visa application fee non-refundable. Okay, and some nationalities are exempted, so you can see that who are exempted here. So for online visa application, they have said that fill the application, upload the photographs, then note down your visa reference number, and then once you submit the documents, then only they will start processing. So they have given like 4 major steps. First, notification is sent when you complete online visa application. Second is when you submit your passport and other documents are received. Third is sent when visa application is either approved or declined, together with the collection date. And they have also said don't go there unless you have the collection notification, because then it's not gonna make any sense. Okay, and they have also specified the specification of photos and other documents. All right, so that's good. So once you read the instructions, you can come over here, email. So here you need to select what you like. If you have a hotel reservation, you will have different situation. If you have like invited, then you have different documents asked. So you need to put your phone number, email, date of birth, and then click on sign up. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna see you in the next section. So next, the first section they have asked is personal information. Okay, so some information they have picked, and now your name details and passport details. So I'm gonna fill up, and I'm gonna see you in the next section. Next is the address information. So I'm gonna put some sample. Next is profession occupation. Provide the details and click on save and continue. Is your emergency contact, same contact details, the similar contact details, provide that and go to next. So now next select travel information, propose date of departure. So let's say we are going on 29th. Purpose, let's say I select tourism. Duration, I select 15 days, whatever is applicable. You have a round ticket, trip ticket, provide the ticket number. Traveling by air, is this your first time in Ghana? I select yes. If you select no, they will ask you more questions. So because we had selected hotel, so it's asking us to provide the hotel information. Next is upload review, and then you're gonna make the payment. So that's how it works, guys, and then further steps I have already discussed. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.